Welcome guys to MathTech once again, and I am glad to have you guys here in today's problem solving video. Firstly, before we go to the problem solving, please don't fail to like the video, don't fail to share to others, and most importantly, don't fail to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. And quick reminder, summer private classes is still ongoing. If you've not enrolled, please do well to enroll your children, parents, and if you are sponsoring yourself, we are still there for you. In mathematics, programming, everything science, you will need an academic coach even as a university student or as a primary secondary school student. We are still there for you. And aside from the private summer classes, also our MathTech private classes in general is still ongoing. Please don't fail to be part of the MathTech journey. Thank you very much. So in our last problem solving video, this is where we had this question: if alpha and beta are roots of the equation 3x squared minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0, find the values of I, 1 over alpha squared plus 1 over beta squared, and II, alpha squared minus beta squared. In the last problem solving video, we solved for I, and in this problem solving video, we will be solving for II. So II, we are asked to find the value of alpha squared minus beta squared. Now, before we go into solving for alpha squared minus beta squared, your mind should take you to this, the difference of 2 squared. Now we know that alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta is equal to alpha squared minus beta squared. Knowing that if you expand this bracket, use this one to multiply this one, the result will be what? Alpha squared minus beta squared. Now what we'll be working with is what? The alpha plus beta and what? The alpha minus beta. Now don't forget the sum of the roots. Sum of roots, which is what? Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b all over a, and product of roots, which is equal to what? Alpha beta is equal to what? C all over a. And here our a is what? Our a is 3, our b is minus 4, and our c is minus 1. So therefore, our alpha plus beta, which is the sum of the roots, is going to give us what? Minus bracket minus 4 over 3, and this will give us what? 4 over 3. Y for the product of the roots, which is what? Alpha beta, will be having c all over a. C all over a will be what? Minus 1 all over 3. Minus 1 all over 3. Please take note, we'll be using this to run through the solution now. So now we all know that the sum of the roots, which is alpha plus beta, is equal to what? Minus b all over a, and which is giving us the result here to be what? 4 over 3. So therefore alpha plus beta, which is this first bracket here, is equal to what? 4 over 3. And we'll be using this bracket to multiply the bracket of alpha minus beta. Now, how do we find alpha minus beta? Now, please take note of this. Take note of this, please. Alpha minus beta is equal to square root of bracket alpha minus beta squared. How many of us agree to this? That alpha minus beta is equal to square root of alpha minus beta all squared. Knowing that the square root of alpha minus beta all squared, when the square cancels the square root, we'll be left with what? Alpha minus beta. So now, let's break this down using the square root of alpha minus beta all squared. So what do we do next? Let's work with the inside. So we say alpha minus beta all squared will be equal to alpha minus beta bracket alpha minus beta. alpha minus beta all square will be equal to alpha minus beta times alpha minus beta. So let's expand this here. So expanding this, we use each value here to multiply to this other bracket and each value here to multiply to this other bracket, and we'll be having alpha into alpha minus beta into alpha minus beta. So this will be giving us alpha times alpha gives us alpha square, alpha times minus beta gives us minus alpha beta, minus beta times alpha gives us minus alpha beta, and minus beta times minus beta gives us plus beta square. So what we'll be having here, you see that we'll have, if you take our simplification, we'll have alpha square plus beta square. These two are same, having coefficient of minus 1 and minus 1. So minus 1 gives us minus 2 alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta. So now we are seeing that we are having alpha square plus beta square. So now we'll have to simplify the alpha square plus beta square, which we have already did when we solve for I. So what we'll just do, I'll just make it very brief. Don't forget that we say that alpha square plus beta square is equal to bracket alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. We say that alpha square plus beta square, which is this part here, is equal to alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Please go back and watch the last problem solving video we did where we solved for I. I think that's where we resolved that. So what we'll do is I will carry this, repeat this, and replace it in place of alpha square plus beta square. So therefore, what we'll be having here will be what? Alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta, which is representing this, then minus 2 alpha beta again. So therefore, we'll be having alpha plus beta square, alpha plus beta all square minus 4 alpha beta. So we solve for that. Now, don't get lost. What are we actually breaking down? We are breaking down for what? Alpha minus beta. And don't forget that we said that alpha minus beta can be written as square root of alpha minus beta all square. So now we are trying to resolve the inside, which is alpha minus beta all square. Now when we are done resolving the inside, we will then have to bring the square root at the last part. In everything we are doing, if you have to bring back alpha minus beta, what we are going to be having here is alpha minus beta is equal to square root of this. Alpha minus beta will be equal to square root of this. So let's take everything together now. So now, alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta, which is the sum of the roots, will give us 4 over 3. So we say 4 over 3 all square minus 4 into alpha beta will give us products of roots will give us minus 1 over 3. And don't forget the square roots. Alpha minus beta. So solving further, take the simple simplification. What we'll be having here inside the square roots, we have here to be what? 16 over 9 minus, minus 4 times minus 1 over 3 will give us plus 4 over 3. And we still have the square roots here again. So what we have to do here, don't forget, adding two fractions, here we have to find the LCM. The LCM here will be 9. If the LCM is 9, so 9 divided 9 gives us what? 1. 1 times 16 gives us what? 16. Plus 9 divided 3 gives us what? 3. 3 times 4 gives us what? 12. 3 times 4 here gives us what? 12. So what we'll be having here will be what? 16 plus 12 equal to 28 all over 9. 28 all over 9. So therefore, this will be equal to square root of 28 all over 9. So the value of alpha beta, we are coming from here. Sorry, alpha minus beta coming from here. So alpha minus beta will be equal to, don't forget, square root of 27 all over, sorry, square root of 28 all over 9. Don't forget that 9 is a perfect square. So square root of 9 will give us what? 3. So therefore we'll be having here to be alpha minus beta will be giving us what? Square root of 28 all over 3. So this is the value of alpha minus beta. And don't forget, we said that alpha square minus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta, which is the difference of 2 squared, alpha minus beta. So we've gotten our value of alpha plus beta to be what? Value of alpha plus beta is what? 4 over 3. And the value of alpha minus beta is what? Square root of 28 all over 3. So this is this and this is this. So let's multiply to get the answer. So multiplying 4 times this, 4 times square root of 28 gives us 4 square roots of 28, and 3 times 3 gives us what? 9. So don't forget that, going back to our source, you can see that square root of 28 can be written as, square root of 28 can be written as 4 times 7, and which can be square root of 4 times square root of 7. And square root of 4 is what? Since 4 is a perfect square, there will be what? 2 square root of 7. So we can have here to be what? 4 into 2 square root of what? 7 all over 9. So 4 times 2 here gives us 8. So we'll be having 8 square root of 7 all over what? 9. So this is the value for alpha square minus beta square. Don't forget, in our last problem solving video, we saw for 1 all over alpha square plus 1 all over beta square, and we've gotten the result there. I can't really remember what we got there. And now in this video, we are solving for alpha square minus beta square. We broke everything down to the simplest of knowledge so that you can understand. But in any point of the video you don't understand anything, don't fail to drop your question in the comment section. And please don't fail to like the video, and don't fail to subscribe to the channel. So this is it, and this is everything. Talking about these questions, finding the value for I and finding the value for I think this is all we have to do. You can take the video back again, watch it from the beginning so that you understand. Thank you guys for being part of today's problem solving video, and I'm glad that you watched and you gained a lot of knowledge from MathTech. This is just the beginning. Expect more from MathTech. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please don't fail to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share to others. And one more thing you have to know is that our summer private classes is going on. In case you want your child to improve his knowledge before going on the new session, we are here to help you achieve that. And if you want an academic coach for your child, MathTech is also here for that. And if you are an adult, you need a private tutor to see you through in mathematics, in any tech career, in sciences, or in any path you know that MathTech offers, we are here for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.